Now, for those of you who have bought this software or who want to install n8n locally, first of all, you open your Explorer. I copied this software. This is a fresh Windows install. I copied it to the documents folder, and then you will run the bat file. If you see it, you will see the one that ends with .bat. You run it. This is a fresh Windows install, so it will take some time to run this. First of all, because Microsoft WebView isn't installed, it will install it. So it's installing Microsoft WebView. So that is what is required to even start the software. So, but if you have done other installations previously in your system, I think it should have Microsoft WebView installed. That is, even on Windows Update, it should have updated the packaging there. But if it's not in your system, this package is completely offline. It will install it without even connecting to the internet. So basically, this is meant to help you install n8n. So you are basically self-hosting n8n on your machine. So let's give it some time. I'm not going to be moving the video, that is forwarding any part of it. I just want the entire process to be captured on this recording. Still installing. So in case you don't know, like, the essence of having this, if you are struggling with installing n8n, either payment on the cloud or self-hosting on your computer, this is, you don't need to watch any tutorial, just run the setup and it will walk you through the install process. It installs all that you need to run in it. And so it has opened, so you get started. Here is a Windows 10 PC. I formatted it for this purpose and then run the software on it. The only thing installed on the system currently is the drivers. But meanwhile, when after the setup runs, it will scan your laptop to ensure it can actually run n8n. To run n8n, we need Docker. We need Docker to run it. Docker WSL. We need virtualization enabled on your computer. So if virtualization is not enabled, you have to enable it in the BIOS. So on this system, it meets the Windows requirements. All is green. Also, ensure your Windows version. It supports both Windows 10 and 11, but ensure your Windows version is from 22H2. Alright, so if we scroll down, we'll see there are some missing dependencies to be downloaded, that is to be installed. So first thing, you fix machine. Click on the fix machine button and allow it fix it. This is the first step of the installation. So this installation, it will cause you to restart your system up to, I think after this you restart, and then you restart again. Okay, 3 times. You are going to restart your system 3 times, but it will walk you through the process. So let's wait for it to scan and fix. So what this is doing is enabling dependencies, that is Hyper-V, Windows virtualization machine, is enabling it. So you don't have to do anything. The system enables it in the background, and then it's showing not responding, but leave it as it is. It's working just fine. So it's done. So if you look at the message, it says we need to restart. So the next phase is WSL installation.